Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to set up your paper in APS style. Please be a part of the Learn and Inspire family and hit the subscribe button now. So let's start. First of all, to format your paper in APS style, you have to make some basic setups. First of all, you have to select margins and make sure to use 1-inch margins on all sides of the page, top, bottom, left and right. After margins, select the font of your paper. You can use eligible font. Many fonts are acceptable, including 11-point Calibri, 11-point Arial, 12-point Times New Roman, and 11 points Georgia. The default font of your word processing program is also acceptable. After that, choose line spacing and always use double spacing for the entire paper. After selecting the line spacing, click on the paragraph alignment indentation and align paragraph of text to the left margin, and do not use full justification. Indent the first line of every paragraph of text to 0.5 inch and use the tab key or the paragraph formatting function of your word processing program. After that, make sure to input your page numbers. Make sure to put a page number at the top right corner of every page, including the title page or cover page, which is page number 1. After completing the basic setup, you have to format the title page. And to format the title page, first of all, you have to put the page numbers at the top right corner of your paper. After adding the page number, next hit the enter button 3 times and then add the title of your paper. The title of your paper needs to be bold. After that, again hit enter and add the author names. After entering the author names, write the affiliations. And the affiliation consists of the department of the course and the name of the university. After the affiliation, write the course number and course name. Next, you have to add the instructor name followed by the due date. After formatting the title page, next check up the title page line spacing. You have to double space the whole title page. After that, place the title 3 or 4 lines down from top of the page. And after adding your title, again add extra line between title and author names, and the rest of the information is double spaced without adding any extra lines between the required informations in your title page. Next, I will show you the title page alignments. Always right align the page numbers in your paper. After that, center your entire title page except page numbers. You can see on the screen that only the page number is right aligned at the top and the rest of the information is centralized. Next, I will show you the requirements for the title page fonts. Always bold the paper title as shown in this paper and use standard font, no bold, no italic for all other title page elements. Now let's move to the text setup of your paper. On next page, repeat paper title at top of first page of your text, and after adding the title of your paper at the top of the next page, start writing your introduction. Make sure to use descriptive headings to identify other sections like methods, results, discussion, or other quantitative research papers. Now let's move to the text line spacing. Always double space all text including headings and section labels, paragraph of text, and block quotes. Make sure to align your text as per the APS 7th edition by indenting first line of paragraph by 0.5 and left align your entire text. Now, text fonts. Always use the same font throughout the entire paper and write body text in standard, non-bold, non-italic font. Next is heading formats, and it is one of the most important requirements of the APS 7th edition. Always make sure to use level 1, level 2, level 3 and 4 and 5 headings if they are required in your paper. Level 1 heading is always centered, bold, title case heading. Level 2 heading is flush left, bold, title case heading, and the text begin as a new paragraph. Level 3 heading is flush left, bold italic, title case heading, and the text begin as a new paragraph. Level 4 heading is indented, bold, title case heading ending with a period. And the level 5 heading is indented, bold italic, title case heading ending with a period. And the text begins on the same line and continues as a regular paragraph. You can see few more requirements on alignments, font, and a tip is also given to format your paper perfectly as per the APA 7th guidelines. Next, let's move on to the reference section of your paper, which is also one of the most important element of your paper. To format your references as per the APA 7th edition, make sure to take a separate page and write references at the top of the page. After that, format all the references in alphabetical order or create a list of references in alphabetical order. Always use hanging indentation for your references and start a reference list at the top of a new page after text. Double space the entire reference list and bold within and between entities. Next, I will show you how to align your references perfectly as per the APA 7th edition. As I have said that before, always center the bold reference label and use a hanging indent of 0.5 on all reference entities. Always create a hanging indent with your word processing program and do not use the key tape for hanging your references. Next is reference list font. Make sure to use italic font for the web pages, books, and reports, as shown or highlighted in the reference list. For other sources like journal articles and book chapters, always make sure to use the standard font as used in your rest of the document. Let's do a final checkup of the work we have done in this paper. After formatting your paper perfectly as per the APA 7th edition, do a final checkup. Check the page orders and the title page needs to be page 1, text start on page 2 and the reference list start on a page after the text. After that, check the headings and use each main section with a level 1 heading, use level 2 headings for subsection of the introduction and use the same level of headings for section of equal importance. After that, check assignment instruction which were given to you by your university. Please like and subscribe and be a part of the family.